So you might be having an issue with Do Not Disturb mode on your iPhone on iOS 16. Now, in order to actually troubleshoot this, you do want to make sure you have Do Not Disturb mode enabled in the first place. So if it's actually not working, that is completely different than you not enabling it in the first place. So the first thing I'd recommend doing is swiping down from the top right corner and right under focus. This is basically where our specific Do Not Disturb mode is settled in at. So what we can do is we can force touch or just long press on that little focus option, and right up here you will see Do Not Disturb mode. You want to make sure this was enabled. So if you click on Do Not Disturb mode, you'll see now it's on. So if you swipe out, you'll see Do Not Disturb mode is on. If you didn't see it in the first place, then that basically indicates that you didn't have it on. Now another thing you can do is force touch into it and just make sure that when you click on the three lines, that this is set up exactly how you want it to set up at. If this is not set up properly, you can click on settings and it'll take you straight into your Do Not Disturb mode options. So here you can go ahead and configure your Do Not Disturb mode and basically showcase exactly what is not working and what is working. So here you can go ahead and allow certain people, you can allow certain applications, you can also click on options and you can go ahead and have certain applications show on lock screen, dim lock screen, hide notification badges. You have a lot of other things you can go and configure here. So maybe you installed iOS 16 and it kind of tampered with these specific options. So this is one of the things you can do here. Now on top of that, you can change up your schedule down here. You can customize screens here as well. So there's a few other things you can do here that I would also recommend kind of configuring here as well. Now, if that's still not working, another thing I would recommend doing is swiping away into your little settings here, scrolling down into general, clicking on software update, and just seeing if you have a software update available. So since iOS 16 just came out, there's a chance where there may have been some glitches or may have been some issues. So chances are, if there are some widespread issues, Apple's going to be, continue to pushing out updates for the next year or so on iOS 16. So I would recommend, if there's a software update available, going through and updating your phone. There may be a situation where Do Not Disturb mode is completely messed up right now, and Apple will go ahead and fix it later on. But those are pretty much the first ways to go and troubleshoot, in my opinion. So that pretty much covers it up. You can also try restarting your phone, powering it on, powering back off, but that kind of covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, help me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.